How to make your first $100 online in 2026. Do you want to make your first $100 online? Maybe you don't have a lot of money. Maybe you only have a phone. Or maybe you have no online business experience. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and realistic ways to work toward your first $100 online in 2026. This is not a get-rich-quick trick. You will need time, effort, and a useful skill. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. The first way is freelancing. You can make money by selling a skill online. You can write, edit videos, design thumbnails, translate, write YouTube scripts, or manage social media. You can use platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to find clients. If you're a beginner, start with one simple service. For example, I will write a 1,000-word YouTube script. Create a few samples. Make a simple portfolio. Then start looking for clients. Your first job may pay $5, $10, or $20. That's okay. Your goal is to reach your first $100 step by step. Number 2. YouTube. The second way is YouTube. You can start with your phone. Choose one topic. Make useful videos. Post consistently. For example, you could create videos about AI tools, technology, money, education, motivation. YouTube may take time to grow. Don't expect $100 from your first video. First, build an audience. Then, when your channel meets the requirements for available monetization features, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You can also build other income streams around your channel, such as affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. The third method is affiliate marketing. You don't need to create your own product. You recommend a product or service. You receive a special tracking link. If someone makes a qualifying purchase through your link, you can earn a commission. For example, if you create content about useful AI tools, you can recommend tools that offer affiliate programs. But don't promote products only because they pay. Promote things that are useful. Your audience needs to trust you. Number 4. Sell a digital product. Another way is selling a digital product. You can create an ebook, a Canva template, a study guide, a planner, an AI prompt guide, or a simple online course. For example, imagine you know how to create YouTube thumbnails. You could create a small collection of templates. Then sell them online. The important thing is to solve a real problem. Number 5. Offer a service directly. You don't always need a freelance platform. You can find clients directly. Maybe you are good at video editing. Create 3 sample videos. Then contact small creators or businesses. Tell them how you can help. For example, I can edit your short videos and make them ready for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. If one client pays you $20, you are already 20% closer to your first $100. 5 $20 jobs would equal $100 before any platform fees or other costs. Number 6. Online tutoring. If you know a subject well, you can teach it. You could teach English, math, music, computer skills, or another subject. You can start with people you know. Then grow through social media and referrals. For example, if you charge $10 for a lesson, 10 paid lessons would bring in $100 before any costs or taxes. A simple $100 plan. Now let's make it very simple. Don't try everything at once. Choose one method. For example, choose freelancing. Week 1. Learn one skill. Practice every day. Create sample work. Week 2. Create your profile or portfolio. Start contacting potential clients. Week 3. Try to get your first small order. Deliver excellent work. Ask for honest feedback. Week 4. Get more clients. Improve your service. Increase your income step by step. Your first goal can be $10, then $25, then $50, finally $100. Don't make this mistake. Don't believe anyone who says, "Pay me $50 and I'll guarantee you $1,000 tomorrow." Real online income is not guaranteed. Avoid scams. Don't give strangers your passwords. Don't send money to unknown people promising guaranteed profits. And don't buy fake followers or fake views. Build something real. The most important skill. There is one thing more important than any app: your ability to solve problems. If you can help someone save time, make money, grow a business, learn something, or create better content, your skill has value. That's why learning a skill is one of the best investments you can make. Final message. Making your first $100 online may feel difficult. But you don't need to make it all in one day. You can make $10 from one client, $20 from another, $30 from another. Then keep going until you reach your goal. Start small. Stay consistent. Learn from your mistakes. And don't give up because your first week was slow. Your first $100 is not just money. It is proof that you can create value and earn from it online. Outro. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple ways to make money online. Comment. $100 if your goal is to make your first $100 online in 2026. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.